Hi, my name is Awwaludin Nurdiansyah. I'm from Produk Design Department, Institute of Technology, 10 November. Project, my title is Bucket Experience Design with tabletop bar fountain made from natural stone waste. So I focus on designing a bucket experience product centered around inner wellness and environment consciousness. That the main highlight of the product is a water fountain tabletop that made from recycled agate stone that offering not only aesthetic value but also therapeutic function. The product also addresses the issue of minerals waste by transforming leftover fragments of decorative stone into a meaningful and marketable product. It aims to promote sustainable craft innovation while aligning with UN Sustainable Development Goals, particularly those focused on responsible production and mental well-being. Through this design, I hope to encourage a deeper connection between nature, relaxation, and conscious living, that is wellness, turning waste into wellness and form into feeling. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the serenity that these products offer. Thank you.